Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by opening WhatsApp and going straight to the Chats tab. This puts all conversations in reach. Once there, pull the list down gently to reveal the search bar at the top. This is faster than scrolling. Make sure WhatsApp has access to contacts so names appear correctly. Without it, you may only see numbers. Now type a keyword, name, or emoji. WhatsApp begins filtering messages and chats as you type, showing matches instantly to save time. Once you see initial results, refine with more precise text. Type a full phrase or include an emoji to narrow matches. You can also enter a contact name to limit results to that chat. This helps when the keyword appears across many groups. Make sure to scroll within the results to preview snippets. Tapping a result jumps you to the exact message inside the conversation. If a message is old, WhatsApp highlights the search term, so you don't lose. To finish, tap any search result and you'll be taken to the conversation with the matching message highlighted. This lets you reply or forward immediately. Remember, iPhone Spotlight searches chat names but not message contents, so use WhatsApp's own search for inside chat results. If nothing appears, make sure WhatsApp is updated, check network access, and restart the app or phone. That usually resolves indexing glitches. If problems persist, reinstalling after backing up chats can restore search functionality.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.